What's up, traders? This is Marco, and I want to give you a short preview for the next coming trading week. And you can see here the daily ES chart, and I'm drawing the channels here, and pretty much we have this downtrend working lower here, and this started in January already. We don't see the exact start here now because prices are not visible here anymore, but this channel here is trending lower, and this channel here is intact. And what was interesting, we recently saw a reaction of this channel. You can see on the 1st of December last year, that sounds so far away already. We had the reaction here, we had the test of this channel and the direct rejection of it, and prices were coming back here. That was the FOMC meeting and the Fed interest rate hike, and we had a retest again of this channel. You can see prices came all the way up here and pulled back, and yeah, with this double confirmation that this channel here is still intact, prices trended lower, left this range here, this yellow range, to the low side, and yeah, pretty much dropped lower and forming a new range here right now. And we're staying in this range pretty much since mid of December, and then during the Christmas holiday and the New Year's Eve, yeah, prices are staying within this range. And just recently, like Friday, we can see this very strong bullish bar here, and we are pushing higher and test the resistance of this range here, which is around 3,913 level. So it will be interesting if we finish right at this level, or it can even break above it. If we can break above it and we see like some tests of this resistance here, then the prices could approach to the bigger downtrend channel line again. Or if we see a reaction, then we could see, for example, approximately in this size of a move, a second move down and retest pretty much the lows that were made last year around October, end of September. So yeah, that's very interesting to see. Right now in this range, it's hard to say what's gonna happen. As I said, most probably prices will retest here this range resistance, and then see if this resistance will hold or if prices will break through it. So there's a very neutral bias for next week. It really depends the direction of prices at this resistance level here. That pretty much predicts what will happen during the next trading week. And I want to give you a very short idea of the news event that are coming up next week. And pretty much you can see on Tuesday in the morning directly that Powell is speaking. It depends what he will say here. He could give some potential outcome or some potential, let's say, plan for what is going to happen this year, if there will still rate hikes, or if they see from the last, for example, unemployment data that the Fed is potentially considering a pivot here. It's really hard to say what Powell will say, but right in the morning you have to be very careful, because depending on what he says, markets can get very volatile. And this is not like a typical news event, because he will start speaking at 7 a.m. So that means he will speak like 1 or 2 hours maybe. So like during his speech, he can drop off some very important facts and market will behave directly to it. So be careful on Tuesday. Then on Thursday, we have a very important measurement for inflation. It's the CPI and core CPI. The Fed was saying that they are taking this measurement very important to consider future rate hikes. Also, we have some unemployment claims. So keep an eye on Thursday, 7:30 in the morning. This is before the market opens. There could be a very strong reaction. Just be careful. Yeah, and then on Friday, pretty much at 9 a.m., there is the consumer sentiment. This is also important measurement. So yeah, next week we have these 3 important news events. Have a look and don't get fooled into any trades. And yeah, concerning the bigger picture, really, we're staying in this range. And depending on what Powell will say and how the CPI news will be released, it depends if we can break out of this range or not. But right now the bias is very neutral, so yeah, we have to see what's gonna happen and zoom into the daily price action chart to see price action behavior. And yeah, the news, just for your information, there can be some huge spikes and reaction of it. So yeah, that was it. I told you it's like a short preview, so you have an idea what to check next week. I wish you a great trading week, and yeah, speak to you on Friday.